Today we're going to be looking at the Ace TV. It's a 32-inch model, and as you can see, it's quite light. I'm able to carry it easily with one hand. So let's open up that box and look at the TV and whatever else is inside the kit. Alright, so as we're taking stuff out, there's some thermocol packing. The box is actually quite well packed. It's a snug fit. Probably what's a standout about this unit is its fairly low price, so we'll get into that in a bit, as well as maybe some other basic specs. Okay, so the TV is out now. Let's get that foam cover off and get a closer look of the unit and the panel. So usually this TV retails for around 13,000 pesos, but right now it's on a massive discount and it's available for as little as 4,299 pesos, which is an amazing deal. Again, a testament to how light that TV is, able to pick it up with ease with just one hand. Okay, so that's the back of the unit, and the only cable you have there is the power cable. I'm trying to detach that at this point. It's wound up at the back. Let me get a pair of scissors and cut that. I can give you a closer look of the power connect. Almost have it open there. It's pretty straightforward. Looks like just this regular 2-pin connector for the power outlet. Moving on to the kit, there's remote and batteries. And looking at the documentation, the usual user guide, and looks to be an insert. Let me take a quicker look at that insert. Looks like mounting instructions for attaching the feet onto the screen. Also included is a pack of screws and some soft pad feet for the plastic feet, foam bits for that. And now coming to the actual plastic feet, it's nice that though it's a budget unit, they've taken the trouble to seal everything with plastic, so everything is still black and shiny. So when you do set it up, the TV has a nice new look to it. There you go, a set of 2 feet for the panel. Okay, so let's look at the screen and see what buttons and connectors are on it. So at the rear, there are some inputs for audio and video, and of course USB. And at the bottom there is the HDMI, if you look a little bit more closely. And on the edge there are buttons for volume, channel selector, etc. So that's it for our unboxing and first impressions of the Ace TV. Look out for our full review on newsbytes.ph.